Let me introduce how to use this automatic coffee machine. First, open the lid of the water tank. Take out the water tank. Add the water here, but please notice the max line here. Then add the beans to the bean crate. Third, open the lid of the milk jar and pour in the milk. Insert the power supply. Espresso, Americano, coffee latte, cappuccino.